how do you find out what your purpose is? Again, thinking outside of the box. What a lot of people would say is, purpose ko lang naman is to make sure my family is happy. My purpose here is to make money. Magtrabaho lang ako para makapagbakasyon ako 3 times a year. You know, it's all good. That's basic survival instinct. But is it a driving force? I'm not sure. Binibigay ng Panginoon sa atin, ng universe sa atin. Ito nga ang kailangan mong gawin, ba't ang kulit mo? Hindi, I need to survive. I need to pay for my bills. I need to pay for my da-da-da. We tend to ignore the things na laging binabalik-balik sa mukha natin. This is what you're supposed to do. And trusting and surrendering the thought that I will always be supported as long as I follow this purpose and follow down this path.
Every experience, binibigay talaga sa'yo kung anong kailangan mo. And it leads to another journey.
Yeah,
diba,
exactly.
No?
So if she's a coach, she's a legit coach. I did the research. Hindi, insurance naman to eh. Diba? Ang daming ganun ngayon. Mga coach pero insurance pala. Pero they don't really do coaching and whatever. Tuturo lang sa'yo how to.
About financial planning, about budgeting. Pero yung realization, wala doon eh.
Yeah, the realization that how do you make this person take action? That's what life coaching is.
Hindi ka pa rin magiging masaya. And lalabas at lalabas yun. Kahit now, you always put a mask on.
And maybe the reason bakit you put on that mask, you show to other people, yeah, I'm so likable. Ang sarap kong kasama.
No.
Tanong na lang, when you're alone, masarap ka ba talaga kasama?